why is devotion so important in Buddhism? Who or what should a practitioner be devoted to? I think first we need to understand devotion. When we say devotion is important, we are not just saying that you have to be totally loyal to somebody. That's not the idea. Devotion is explained three things: inspiration, aspiration, and certainty. These three makes the devotion. So you can have devotion to teaching. You can get devotion to a teacher also. So the first is inspiration. Inspiration is that you are inspired. If it is like a teaching or a book, even a teaching, you read or listen to a teaching, and then you are inspired, meaning that you feel that there is truth, there is something really worthwhile, so you become inspired, you become interested, or even a person you make, like a teacher, you meet a teacher, and he or she is inspiring, is interesting, is kind of you feel that there is that you become interested, you become inspired at the first level. The second is aspiration. Because you are inspired by that teaching or by that person, so you want to learn more. You want to learn from that person. You want to practice that teaching, if it is a teaching, because it's inspiring, and you see that there is something, some truth. It rings something really true. So therefore, you want to go deeper into it. You want to know more about it. You want to study. You want to, you feel that you have to be more associated, more learning, more practice. Aspiration. That's also part of the devotion. And then the last or third is certainty. So then you receive some teachings. You are inspired because you feel there is lots of truth in it. There is lots of value in it. There's lots of, and then you want to go forward. You want to learn. You want to practice, and you do that. And then at a certain time, then through your understanding and through your experience, you become very clear that this is it. This is it. So, you become completely certain. The more certain you become, the more devoted you become, the more clear devotion, the more the real devotion you have. Because then, so that's why they say that, if your devotion, if you have really the complete devotion, that is like, half thing is done, then nothing can stop you to accomplish that, so because you become so certain about the teacher or teaching, then you can also become certain about that teacher or those teachers. It's not necessarily too much personal, it's more like about the way, about the path, about the, teaching. So the more and more you become certain, the more and more you have devotion. And therefore, this is very important, because if you don't have these three stages, nothing can really happen. You cannot learn. You cannot truly, become involved. You become totally dedicated, or you cannot completely absorb and completely integrate. So therefore, the devotion becomes important.